So guys, back working on the Camaro. So, the last race my alternator went out. So I got me another alternator. Well, it actually got two. So this the original one. It was a East Coast Auto Electric. I first ordered this Power Master from Summit, but it's kind of big and bulky and about 5 pounds heavier than the first one. So I called East Coast Alternator. They sold out to another company. They still made the alternators. And ordered me another one, just like that one, but it's black. So here's the new alternator. Got a black one. East Coast Alternators. Used to be East Coast Auto Electric. Got to put this one on. I noticed the pulley is a little smaller. It's smaller than the one I had. So I decided to go ahead and swap out the pulley before I even tried. That way the boat right back in place, just like the other one. Alright, so I got alternator on. Got my belt tension set with my adjuster right here. Hold it up at the top. Now I just gotta hook up the wire. It's a one wire, so just hook the battery up and that'll be it. Alright guys, got a new alternator on. Wish I could have kept the black pulley on it, but it'll be alright. So the other one lasts about 4 or 5 years, so hopefully this one will last that long.